Welcome to Lesson 9 of our course on discovering and developing your hidden talents. I'm your host, and today we're going to explore how to apply your talents in various contexts, specifically focusing on integrating them into your personal life. We'll cover how to integrate your talents into daily routines and personal projects, balance your personal life and talent development, and look at some case studies of successful personal applications of talents. First, let's talk about integrating your talents into daily routines and personal projects. Using your talents in your daily life can lead to greater personal fulfillment, improved skills, and increased productivity. Here are some practical ways to incorporate your talents into your routine. Morning routines. Start your day with activities that utilize your talents, such as journaling, drawing, or practicing a musical instrument. This sets a positive tone for the day and keeps you engaged with your interests. Work breaks. Incorporate your talents into short breaks during work. For example, if you enjoy sketching, take a few minutes to draw during your break. This helps refresh your mind and keeps your creative juices flowing. Evening projects. Dedicate time in the evening for personal projects that harness your talents, such as crafting, writing, or gardening. This not only helps you unwind, but also allows you to develop your talents further. Next, let's discuss how to balance your personal life and talent development. Maintaining a balance between personal life and talent development is crucial for your well-being. It ensures you don't burn out and helps sustain long-term talent growth. Here are some strategies to help you achieve this balance. Time management. Use tools like calendars and planners to allocate time for both personal life and talent development. Schedule specific times for talent-related activities and stick to them. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries to ensure you have dedicated time for family, friends, and personal interests. Communicate these boundaries with your loved ones to gain their support. Prioritize tasks. Focus on high-priority tasks and activities that align with your goals and values. This helps you make the most of your time and energy. Finally, let's look at some case studies of individuals who successfully integrated their talents into their personal lives. These examples illustrate how different people have harnessed their talents to achieve personal fulfillment and success. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer who integrates her artistic talents into her daily life. Sarah dedicates her mornings to sketching new ideas and her evenings to personal art projects. This consistent practice has not only improved her skills, but also led to a successful art blog and online store. Next, let's look at John's culinary passion. John, a software engineer with a passion for cooking, integrates his culinary talents into his routine. He experiments with new recipes during weekends and shares his creations with friends and family. John's cooking skills have flourished, leading him to start a popular food blog and participate in local cooking competitions. Finally, let's explore Emma's writing talent. Emma, a marketing professional, integrates her writing talents into her daily life. She writes daily journal entries and works on her novel during weekends. Emma's dedication to writing has resulted in a completed manuscript and a growing audience on her writing blog. Now, let's reflect on how you can integrate your talents into your daily routines. Think about what activities energize you and how you can incorporate them into your schedule. Consider the following questions. What daily activities can I adjust to include my talents? How can I balance my personal life with talent development? What personal projects can I start to further develop my talents? To wrap up, let's recap what we've covered today. We discussed how to integrate your talents into daily routines and personal projects, strategies for balancing personal life and development, and looked at case studies of successful personal applications of talents. By applying these strategies, you'll be better equipped to use your talents in your personal life and achieve greater fulfillment. Feel free to ask questions or share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for your participation and engagement. Continue to apply these strategies, and I'll see you in the next session.